Why back up your computer files?
Backing up your files protects your data from accidents, hardware failures, or viruses. By storing important files in Google Drive, you can easily recover them if something goes wrong. Automatic backups give you peace of mind, knowing your valuable documents and photos are safe and accessible from any device.
Setting up Google Drive on your computer.
To begin, download and install Google Drive for Desktop from the official Google website. Once installed, sign in with your Google account. This allows your computer to connect with your Google Drive storage, making it simple to manage files between your device and the cloud.
Choosing folders to back up.
Open Google Drive for Desktop and select the folders you want to back up, such as Documents, Pictures, or any custom folders. The app gives you the option to add multiple folders. Choose carefully to make sure all essential files are included. And remember that you can change your selections later if needed.
Setting up automatic sync and backup.
Enable the automatic sync feature. This ensures your chosen folders are continuously backed up to Google Drive as you add or edit files. You can also select preferences like syncing photos in their original quality. Google Drive will now monitor your selected folders and upload changes automatically.
Restoring files from Google Drive.
If you ever lose files on your computer, simply access Google Drive through your desktop app, web browser, or mobile device. Download the needed files or entire folders back to your computer. This backup and restore process helps you recover quickly in case of unexpected data loss.